CIA 요원이지만 신분을 숨긴 채 살고 있는 남자, 맷 웨스턴. 그에게는 사랑하는 여자친구 애나가 있었고, 애나에게는 비영리 단체에서 일하고 있는 컨셉이었습니다. 그의 임무는 CIA의 안전가옥을 관리하는 것이었습니다. 맷은 안전가옥을 관리하는 것이 지루하다고 생각했고, 실전 경험을 원하는 초짜 요원이었습니다. 그는 곧 자신에게 닥칠 엄청난 운명에 대해 모르고 있었죠. 한편 케이프타운을 돌아다니고 있는 한 남성이 있었고, 정보를 거래하고 있는 이 남자의 이름은 토빈 프로스트입니다.
You look good.
I do, don't I? So,
The original file.
waiting a long time for this.
Tobin Box is going to make the world a smaller place for you, for both of us.
Do I make you nervous?
Always.
Good.
제공받은 파일을 자신의 몸에 주입하는 토빈. 그때 누군가 이곳을 향해 다가오고 있었는데, 순식간에 남자를 제압하고 가게에 있는 한 손님에게로 향했고, 그에게 돈을 주며 자신의 옷을 입고 밖에 나가라 말합니다. 그렇게 무고한 시민이 희생되었습니다.
Please listen to me. I had nothing to do with this.
그 사이 탈출을 시도했고,
Know if anybody was following you.
이어 의문의 기습이 계속되었습니다. 군중 속으로 몸을 피했고,
We're going by foot.
순간의 재치로 또다시 거리를 벌리죠.
Heading west. Audrey Street. Move, move.
그는 미국 영사관으로 도망쳐 적들을 따돌리는 데 성공합니다.
My name is Tobin Frost.
Linklater. Locked on the consulate.
토빈이 영사관에서 발견되었다는 정보가 CIA에도 전해지는데,
Guy goes rogue. He spends 9 years. Russia, China, Iran, you name it.
알고 보니 그는 CIA 요원이었지만 9년 전 조직을 배신했었습니다.
Now, this man, without question, is one of the most notorious.
Tested off the charts in aptitude for psychological field work, and he literally rewrote agency interrogation protocol. 10 years ago, Frost went off the reservation completely.
Harlan, we should interrogate Frost now.
Stay safe, Faust. Interrogate him there. My people are fully capable of handling it.
Housekeeping.
맷이 관리하는 안전가옥에 토빈이 올 예정이었고, 약속을 미루고 다가올 사태에 대비하죠.
Extraction team is in the air, sir.
You're supposed to have a presence in Cape Town.
Yes, sir.
Sir, the extraction team's en route to the consulate.
I want the housekeeper briefed. High priority target is coming in. I want.
Arc Insurance, KIEFER.
You are a go.
You're good to go.
It's Tobin Frost.
토빈은 CIA 내에서도 유명한 전설적인 인물이었고, 이 상황에도 갑자기 웃음을 짓는 토빈.
Lennon Closet.
Down the hall, just right at the end there.
이어 상사는 감시 카메라를 꺼라 지시하더니 고문과 함께 신문을 하기 시작합니다.
I'm here to make you aware.
600, so 350, 370.
I want to know the reasons for you being in Cape Town. In the 9 years since you betrayed your country.
Ali Sheikh Mohammed lasted 20 seconds.
They had 600s.
Is this legal?
Bring him down. Bring him up. How long was that? All right, take him down. Give me a knife.
그런데 갑자기 비상경고가 울렸고,
Get in there with Frost.
Approximately 12 heavily armed men in perimeter 2.
갑작스러운 괴한들의 기습이 시작되었습니다.
I'm good.
Yes, this is the real thing.
You don't want to try me.
하나 둘씩 쓰러져가는 CIA 요원들.
Take these. Go watch it.
긴급한 상황 속에 맷이 토빈을 감시하게 되었습니다.
They're here for me, but they want me alive. You they'll kill. It's okay. Clock is ticking. They gave you the keys. You want to be the guy that lost Tobin Frost. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock.
심리 전문가답게 맷의 마음에 혼돈을 주었고 맷 또한 모두가 당한 지금 탈출을 결심합니다.
Get in the trunk. The trunk.
Get in the trunk now!
이 상황을 상부에 보고했고
Linklater.
Safe houses were breached.
Eyes on this real-time sat feed.
There's no chance for SDR. I think I might have picked up a tail.
Secure the guests and stay off the grid.
겨우 적의 추격을 따돌리는데 성공했지만 이번엔 토빈이 트렁크에서 탈출했고 뛰어난 판단으로 다시 상황의 주도권을 잡습니다.
Initiating damage control.
Find out why Frost wanted to go in that console to begin. Africa, now, do we have any tactical teams, anything in play?
Team from Europe or Asia, it's going to take at least 18 hours.
결국 현재 모든 것은 맷에게 달려있는 상황이었죠.
You know, it'd be easier if I knew where we were going.
Hey, what are you doing? Middle lane.
How long you been in the safe house, Keith?
12 months.
Happy birthday. You should have been out of here by now. So what's your plan? You think I'm gonna let you just take me in?
I think you need to shut up.
또다시 맷에게 심리 공격을 하는 토빈.
How did they know I was near the consulate in the first place? That house was a secure location. Someone told them, Matthew. Think about it. They're gonna isolate you. Decent job, son. We'll take it from here. That's when you know you're screwed. If this all goes wrong, they'll have something to fall back on and not your only enemy tonight.
We were completely buttoned up.
Your extraction team, how long have they been together? Just trying to get my head around this.
맷은 토빈을 어느 호텔로 데려왔고 그를 결박해두고 애나에게 연락합니다.
I'm alright. I'm okay.
You must be worried sick.
Is everything okay?
We had some threats against the clinic last night. So Parker, can you do me a favor? Can you go over to the window for a second?
Cars that don't belong, anything you hanging around out front.
What's going on?
I'm sorry about this. I think you should just go to Dina's for the good together, okay?
You know what you do for a living? The girl on the phone was a girl, wasn't it? Can't expect to have a real relationship in our line of work. You'll keep covering your tracks to take advantage of that. People's desire to. She's not gonna leave you, Matthew. You're gonna leave her.
I'm not you.
잠시 후 본부와 다시 연락하게 되었고
Can't get another team in for at least 12 hours. There's a go bag located in locker number 2. The bag's got a GPS on it. It'll direct you to the safe house.
Do you know how they found Frost? Do you know who led them to us?
We're working on that.
I will.
맷은 더 이상 그 누구도 믿기가 쉽지 않았고
Out. Move. Go. Across the street.
Metro rail. Straight ahead.
Straight ahead. Right over there. Let's go.
물건을 무사히 챙기고 돌아가려던 순간 이곳의 보안 요원들과 대치 상황이 되어버렸죠. 하지만 아무도 그의 말을 들어주지 않았습니다. 그렇게 둘은 따로 끌려가게 되었고
Where did you take him? He's in the infirmary.
이미 양호실을 탈출한 듯 보이는 토빈. 맷은 순간 변장한 토빈을 발견했고 자신도 보안 요원들을 따돌리고 그에게로 향합니다.
Doctor, that's the update. Yes, cardiac?
보안 요원들을 엉뚱한 방향으로 유인하죠. 결국 총격전으로 이어졌고 이곳에서 보안 요원 한 명을 살해하고 말았습니다.
Get on your knees. You can kill me. Only kill professional.
그렇게 토빈을 놓치고 말았습니다. 보안 요원을 쏜 그는 오히려 쫓기는 신세가 되었고
I lost him. Frost?
Any idea where he's headed?
Not exactly, but I will. I will find Frost. I'll deliver him.
Hey, you've done a fine job. We'll take it from here.
Understood.
이 대사는 토빈이 매색에 경고한 것이었죠.
Decent job, son. We'll take it from here. That's when you know you're screwed.
한편 토빈은 몸속에 숨긴 파일을 꺼냈고
Possible suspect in the shooting.
맷은 애나를 만나러 왔고
I lied to you. My job, my family, CIA. No.
자신의 진짜 정체에 대해 밝힙니다.
I need you to leave. The ticket to Joburg. Take this.
Who do you think I am?
We broke up a week ago. You haven't seen me since. Sorry.
Do you love me?
Very much.
결국 토빈이 말한 대로 그는 애나를 떠나게 됩니다.
Parking in 5 minutes.
돌아가던 길 그는 랑가 표지판을 보고 주춤했던 토빈이 떠올랐고
It's him.
What the hell's he doing?
Surveillance targets living in the Langa Township area.
Get me a copy of Weston's report.
Yes, sir.
맷의 예상대로 토빈이 향한 곳은 랑가였습니다.
I remember
Even let it breathe.
the old days, a cheap bottle of Flor de Caña. What's in that glass right now, for you, is as good. One day you understand. Got more past than future. I thought you were dead. That brings you to my home in the middle of the night after all these years. Ooh.
I'm gonna need a passport, no ID.
Yes.
Weston never showed at the consulate. He's trying to leave the country.
Or he's going after Frost.
I think Weston's turned.
I know this boy. Trying to bring in Frost.
Given the pressure of time, it's possible. You know, can give it.
그 순간 또다시 시작된 적의 기습. 맷 또한 이 상황에 합류하게 되었고 아직도 적의 추격은 끝나지 않았죠. 두 명 모두 1대1 싸움에서 승리했고 이들을 보낸 자가 바로 CIA라는 사실을 알게 됩니다.
You're right about Anna.
Most case officers get married 3-4.
You.
Once. Don't kill innocent people.
그 또한 무고한 사람을 죽인 적이 있었다 말했고
George Edward Cox. I remember that. He was organizing arms shipments, but he was just an family that was on the plane. Husband, he was a whistleblower.
자신들의 비리가 폭로되는 것을 막기 위해 무고한 사람을 죽이게 한 것이었죠.
I went back to work the next day like nothing had happened. Tell 100 lies a day. It sounds like the truth. It's a shitty excuse.
하지만 토빈 또한 불의에 침묵했었고
I take you in.
Good for you.
맷은 자신의 결백을 증명하기 위해 그를 넘길 계획이었죠.
So witnesses identified a pair of men fitting Weston and Frost.
He's with Frost.
He's taking him to the safe.
You?
Shotgun.
이제는 누구도 믿을 수 없게 된 맷.
Left.
Where's the guest room?
Well, that's the thing. We don't really have one.
Cuff him. The pipe. Control room. Call it in. Let me hear it.
Landlord.
Guest is here.
Confirmed. Pickup schedule.
Can we at least put the gun down now?
Thanks, Clayton. That was my guy from MI6. Wade got his hands on a microchip.
Let's get moving.
Long day, huh? You don't imagine. Tobin Frost, you picked up something. I mean, you ain't gonna find a better education. This is the most excitement I've seen.
You got coffee?
Yeah. It's been covered.
Why are you in Cape Town?
Dirt list, laundry list. Corrupt agents, intelligence, MI6. We gotta get out of here.
Don't leave me here.
그가 정신을 차렸을 때는
How you doing? What you pulled off?
Where's Frost?
Oh, he's gone. I guess you know he killed Keller.
I killed Keller.
Frost killed Keller. Talk about anything he was after.
File that you're on.
Along with a lot of other people, important people. Listen to me. What would you do? And you will have some you're not proud of, believe me. Where's the file?
Frost is here.
Let's go.
A hell of a job.
You're a good boy, man. I know what you're not. You're better than me. You just be better than me. You promise me. Yeah.
그렇게 전설의 요원은 이곳에서 최후를 맞이하게 됩니다.
That's exactly as it happened.
Has anybody else seen this report?
No, sir.
David Barlow can't be held responsible for what happened to the safe. People don't want the truth anymore, man. I'm recommending you for a senior case officer. There's just one thing you need to clarify for me. A file. I'm not seeing that anywhere in this report. You realize, though, that if that file did leak, he'd have enemies in every intelligence agency in the world.
Frost didn't say anything about a file, sir.
Take a few days off. We'll get you started next week.
I'll take it from here, sir.
그는 이 멘트가 자신이 은연중에 자주 한 말임을 모르고 있었죠.
Commercial file from an anonymous source. Revelations of widespread corruption and criminal activity.
He has already identified the corrupt agents.
Just how far up the corruption reaches.
얼마 후 맷은 애나를 찾아갔고 토빈의 말처럼 그는 자신의 소중한 사람을 곁에서 지키기로 결심했죠. 둘의 모습을 끝으로 영화는 막을 내립니다.
이라크와의 전쟁에서 승리를 선포한 부시 대통령.
Nothing. Hit and run.
Eyes.
What?
How long we been here, man? 18 plus?
20. Jeez.
그리고 구조 요청을 받아 아직 전장에 남아있는 군인 매튜스와 아이작.
6 construction guys on that pipeline. Security escort. Not one body near to anything resembling cover. I think all fucking headshots too. 8 guys, 30 seconds.
We're dealing with Juba now?
Mike.
처참한 구조 현장을 본 이들은 문득 자신들 앞에 있는 적이 수많은 미국인들을 사살한 악명 높은 저격수 주바일 수도 있다는 생각이 들었죠.
What's your vote now? Got anyone out there?
I don't think so. Or, yeah, he's a pro.
Oh, fuck off.
적을 두려워하는 아이작과 달리 매튜스는 이 상황이 지루해졌고
Fucking hot? I'm calling it. No fucking way a Haji sticks around this long. I should have joined the fucking Air Force.
Hey, I'm serious, man. Get down.
I'm serious too.
그렇게 공사 현장으로 향하는 매튜스.
Movement.
Oh, you look fucking rigid as shit. Eyes on your ass. Oh, shake that booty. You're clear 360.
Just watch my 6.
Roger that.
Yep, we're fucking solo out here. Lonely as fuck.
I'm getting closer here. You got eyes on that wall?
Shit.
What?
Man, this fucking thing's fogging up, man. It was Dean's.
Bad juju carrying around a dead man's scope.
이곳을 조사하더니 이상함을 느낀 매튜스.
Something's not right.
What?
Eyes, they are headshots, man.
You know what? Fuck it.
Just checked at the south. Oh!
Fuck, man. Fuck, I fucked up.
그 순간 매튜스는 저격을 맞게 되고 아이작이 곧바로 그를 구하러 달려가는데
Get away from me, man!
결국 아이작은 근처에 있는 돌로 이루어진 벽에 숨을 수밖에 없었죠. 아이작은 다리에 큰 부상을 입었고
Son! Son, yes! Oh, fuck, I'm sorry. My brother, fucking tell RJ, you gotta tell him, okay? I got fucking 22 grand, man, 22 grand.
Use your fucking tourniquet. Use your fucking tourniquet!
Fucking the radio! You got it? Fuck, man, you got it?
1 second! Breaker. Requesting extraction.
하필이면 스나이퍼에게 맞은 곳이 통신기의 안테나였고
Radio come!
He hit my fucking antenna!
Fuck. You got eyes on him? I think you got a shot. You got eyes?
Fucking Sergeant Matthews! No. He'd shoot you before you even get... Hang in there. Please fucking hang in there.
Come on, man, where'd he come from? Crack bang. How many seconds? Listen, man, I got 1 shot at him.
Hold on! Ah, fuck!
돌 사이에 틈을 만들기 시작하는 아이작.
Sure you not got eyes. Sergeant Matthews, you fucking hear me? Oh man, get up.
다리 상처 부위의 고통은 더욱 거세졌고 혹독한 상황 속에 그대로 잠이 들어버린 아이작. 그 순간 그에게 통신이 왔고
This is Spartan 33. How copy? Receiving enemy fire.
What's your position? Over. Copy that. Stand by.
Hey, Shane. Going home, buddy. Bad fucking time.
You confirming your ID. Over.
Is Sergeant Alan Isaac, 51st ODA?
We copy Spartan 33. Prep and medevac.
그런데 아군 통신병의 질문이 조금 이상합니다.
Send your challenge code.
What the fuck is... No, but who is this?
This is Captain Otis Simmons, but this is protocol.
Oh, fuck me. How do I know that?
And report back to us.
All right, I'm sorry. I'm a little fucked up.
I need you to stand and fire into the air.
The fucking shooter will get a fucking lock on my position. A lot of fucking help. You've been so fucking far, motherfucker. This is fucking stupid. This ain't fucking protocol.
I need your location.
You got an accent. Not American.
You have seen through my camouflage.
그리고 이제야 본색을 드러내는 통신뒤 너머의 정체.
You fuck!
Your friend. Is he dead?
I got a man down.
Shall I make sure you have a wife?
Requesting.
Children, will they enjoy a closed casket if I take his face off?
Stop. Is there something you want?
Yeah.
You want fucking 12 virgins or something?
I just want to get to know you. So now, let's be real. It's just you and me out here. Where are you from?
You don't want wants to get chatty, bro. Why'd you say anything? Huh?
Okay. I'll start. A regular Iraqi man.
적과 대화하는 척하며 몰래 적의 위치를 추적해보는 아이작.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 plus 4, 800. Bullet. 45, 50, 60. That gives me 1,500. At the wall. Me. Matthews. Look, these fucking guys building pipelines.
For our economy?
Not here to fight. War's over, bro.
The war's not over. Definitely not for you.
You say a lot of fucking fancy words. What are you hot?
Where's your family?
Not talking about fucking family.
I'll shoot Matthews if you don't talk.
God.
First Dean, now Matthews. You carry his scope around.
어째서인지 최근 매튜스와의 대화를 모두 알고 있는 척
Tell me about your comrades.
We play ball.
And I will shoot Matthews if you do not speak.
So easy to tear his face off. Is that what you want, eyes?
All right. Oh, shut the fuck up, man. How's this end?
There's no end game. I'm just enjoying our conversation. Are you dehydrated? I know that. That's why I aimed at your water bottle.
Nobody's that fucking accurate.
And your antenna.
심지어 그의 이동을 제한할 다리 부위까지 정확히 맞춘 적은 아무래도 전설의 킬러 주바가 맞는 듯 보였습니다.
You fucker. Oh, fuck. Oh, gee. You're trying to fucking circle my wall, ain't you?
Your country came here to knock down. Now try desperately to keep from falling. It's actually part of a school. You're hiding in the shadow of Islam.
전쟁에 있어 항상 강자였고 우위였던 미국이 현재는 정반대로 약자가 된 아이러니한 상황이었습니다.
You Americans, you think you know it all, but we are not so different, you and I. You are the one who has come to another man's country.
No fucking way. You're in the fucking trash. This is a pro. You're him.
100 men out there call themselves Juba. I'm just a man.
That's why they never find you.
You must have been dazing that fucking shit heap.
순간 아이작은 한 가지 아이디어가 떠올랐는데
Alright, you asshole. Where are you? Okay. Bite on this, you fucking Haji bitch. Bitch.
하지만 방탄모가 떨어지며 적의 비웃음만 사고 말았죠. 육체적으로도 정신적으로도 한계에 다다른 상황, 그는 결단이 필요했습니다. 죽어있는 용병에 무전기를 가져올 계획이었고 무전기와 가방까지 얻은 채 다시 돌아가려 하죠. 다행히 사고 없이 목표를 이루었고 가져온 무전기를 확인해보는 아이작. 하지만 무전기는 이미 망가져 있었죠. 모든 게 절망적이던 그 순간 기적같이 매튜스가 깨어납니다.
Shane, that you? Sorry, Matthews. I found that fucking weasel fucking trash heap. You're talking 1,500 meters.
적이 매튜스를 보지 못하게 대화로 어그로를 끄는 아이작.
You know a lot about books and shit.
I studied English.
Fucking trash heap behind the white trailer. Oh, baby, let's do this. You're no more religious than I am, man. Just keep going slow, baby, real slow.
This is what I don't get.
Shut your fucking mouth.
You're fading, Isaac. You have no water. You're dehydrated. You're bleeding to death.
드디어 총을 잡는 데 성공한 매튜스.
Slower.
What's going on?
Who are you talking to?
I'm talking to fucking guy! Somewhere! I don't fucking know! 6 miles right! Please tell me you got fucking let him go, you piece of shit! Fucking let him go! Keep coming, man! You're almost there! Reach for me! Reach for me!
결국 매튜스는 눈앞에서 사망하고 말았죠.
I wanna go home. I wanna go fucking home.
그런데 상대방은 갑자기 무전을 꺼버렸고
Listen to me. Keep going. Something's off.
그는 이제야 놓치고 있던 것이 하나 생각났는데 바로 죽은 용병에게 가져온 무전기의 안테나를 자신의 무전기에 연결하는 것이었죠.
Spartan 33. How copy? What the fuck?
그런데 이 무전은 상대 스나이퍼가 자신이 아이작인 척 본부에 지원 요청을 하는 것이었고
No. Kev Albrecht.
Copy that.
스나이퍼가 이 전략으로 이제껏 수많은 미군을 죽였다는 것을 깨닫게 되죠.
I got a call for us. Done this, you motherfucker. I was called for security detail. Security detail calls for us, and
그야말로 이것은 주바의 사냥터였던 것이었죠.
Fuck off, man.
지원군이 오기 전 한 번 더 힘을 내 움직이는 아이작. 매튜스의 총을 가져오고자 했고
Fuck up.
어느새 지원군의 헬기가 오고 있었고 시간이 없자 그는 벽을 허물어 시야를 가린 뒤 스나이퍼를 제거할 계획이었습니다. 저격을 쏘자 적 스나이퍼는 잠잠해졌고 그 사이 지원군들이 이곳에 도착하죠. 지원병들은 쓰레기 더미 속 적이 있다는 말을 듣지 않았고 그대로 헬기를 타고 이곳을 빠져나가려 하는데요. 그 순간
Bulldog 17, reading you Lima Charlie. Over.
이렇게 주바의 사냥은 끝나지 않은 채로 영화는 막을 내립니다. 영화 더 월은 한정된 공간과 인물 속에서도 높은 몰입감과 현장감을 선사해 주었고 중간중간 유머 포인트까지 있어 개인적으로는 매우 매력적인 작품이었습니다. 게다가 영화에서는 전쟁에 있어 단순히 누가 선인지 악인지 정답이 없다는 메시지와 주바의 사냥 장면은 전쟁이 가져오는 피해는 끝없이 순환된다는 등의 다양한 메시지 또한 담고 있어 더 인상 깊었습니다. 이상으로 영화 더 월이었습니다. 시청해주셔서 감사합니다.
This is a true story, but I can't believe it's really happening. I know the murderer, I know the murderee, I know the place, I know the motive, and I know the means. I couldn't stop them even if I wanted to. You can't stop people once they start creating. Nobody in their right mind wants to come to London right now. I thought I would be able to find something to write about.
혼란한 시기를 겪고 있는 런던으로 온 삼류 소설작가 샘슨.
The celebrated writer Mark Asprey was offering up his
그
apartment.
이유는 저명한 작가 마크의 집에서 아이디어를 얻기 위함이었고
Mr. Samson Young, Mark Asprey here. Everything in that place has inspired a book. Million sales at least. I left a copy of my third novel on the desk, Crossroad and Waters. Your place is just fun. I just hope you enjoy yourself.
Here he is. Samson Young.
그는 이곳에서 두 명의 남자를 만나게 되는데
Guy Clinch. Nobilities.
한 명은 귀족 출신의 신사적인 남자 가이였고
Pleasure to meet you, Samson.
Sam's fine.
Keith, you really shouldn't be doing that.
또 한 명은 마초적인 느낌이 가득한 키스였습니다.
Yeah, listen, you don't loan money, do you, Sam? I'm behind on my rent.
다트 선수였던 그는 주변에 수많은 돈을 빌렸고
So now I gotta borrow money from my old mate Chick Purchase.
결국 악덕 높기로 유명한 칙에게도 돈을 빌리고 말았죠.
Darts is destiny.
그 순간 나타난 압도적인 미모의 한 여성. 단번에 모든 남자들의 시선을 사로잡습니다.
Go and get this lady her French nails, will you?
This is the first time I've been in here. Always wondered what it was like.
Suppose this is my way of having been in a wait.
Here we are at the event horizon of a black hole. Matter and photons that pass this boundary are unable to.
What's your name, sweetheart?
Nicholas Six.
An honor to service.
You all right?
You must be leaving now.
Keith, you're not high? A girl like that?
Yeah, she's begging for
She's
it.
just been to a funeral.
With Keith and Guy, I had two promising story characters, but none of this would have started without the girl. There was no book without the girl.
이 세 명의 인물은 샘슨에게 좋은 소재거리가 되어주었고
You know, a bit of a beauty. Hide in the clouds or such.
The pain kit from Dr. Slizzard arrived in good time. Why can't I just write? I write.
그 순간 위에서 어떤 기척을 느꼈는데 우연인지 바로 위층이 니콜라의 집이었습니다. 그녀가 버린 쓰레기에서 그는 놀라운 사실을 보게 되는데
I've always known what was going to happen next.
Nicholas saw the death of many. She knew her parents would die in a plane crash.
바로 그녀는 누군가의 죽음과 관련한 미래를 볼 수 있었죠.
Nicola knew when her own story ended too. On her 30th birthday, I found my murderer.
I met him.
Today.
Oh, hello. My name is Samson Young.
샘슨은 니콜라의 집을 찾아갔고
You gonna sit down?
Thank you. Look, I'm a writer. I believe your premonitions. So who's going to kill you?
I don't know. I just know he was there yesterday.
그녀는 어제 본 3명의 남자 중 1명이 자신을 죽이는 미래를 본 것에 대해 기록했고 샘슨은 이 내용을 자신의 소설로 쓰고 싶어 했습니다.
I think it could be my masterpiece.
Yes.
그녀의 동의하에 도청 장치를 설치하게 되었고
I have the makings of a really snappy little thriller. She lifted her veil with both hands like a bride with intense recognition that she had found him.
얼마 후 니콜라의 집을 찾아간 키스.
You want a drink or something?
No, not for me, darling.
Fuck me.
But I happen to have reached the last 32 in a duo share.
You're dripping blood. Are you married?
Nah. Well, my wife thinks she is.
The posh one? I'd like to meet him.
Have Guy call.
He's kind of an animal presence, wouldn't you say?
Animals can be trained.
그녀의 말대로 가이를 찾아간 키스.
You know, we ran at Nicky's house.
What do you mean a flat?
Don't be daft.
So did anything happen?
Nah, fuck all, really. Once you have phone, I
How exactly does she require my help?
대화 중 들어온 가이의 아내 아이를 봐달라 하고 낮잠을 자러 갑니다.
Didn't look after the child for 20 minutes. It's my shift. Sky Clinch, is Nicholas Six there, please?
I'd like your help.
She's setting up the oldest conflict in the world.
키스 대화는 전혀 다른 컨셉으로 나타난 니콜라.
He died in a plane crash where I worked in an orphanage there.
Take it you're married? You must be a romantic.
Romantic life never quite matches up.
So when I was in the orphanage, I was friends with a little Burmese girl.
그녀는 가이에게 사람을 하나 찾아달라 부탁했고
I just figured you were the sort of person who might know someone. Her name is Enola Gay, and her son is simply known as Little Boy.
That's it. Nothing else. Little boy.
All I know for sure is the last scene. The murderer waiting in his car. The murderee walking towards him.
Guy is just so sweet. And he's falling in love. Normally ends very badly with me.
Guy wanted for nothing and lacked everything. For years he'd been trying to have a child with his wife, Hope. Guy always thought it was life he was looking for, but it must have been death.
Keith, I've been waiting for you all morning. It's not the hiccups that I'm feeling a bit dizzy.
a little angel, you are.
키스는 여전히 사채업자의 압박에 시달리고 있었고
Guy Fawkes Day's coming up, Keith. You know what happened to him, right? He was hanged, drawn, and quartered. I thought he was burned. She's lovely, the little girl.
The normal accepted laws of writing are working backward. I'm writing a story. If I can just get the balance right. The rules are pretty simple. You have to score exactly 501. She could make a man feel he was at last really living.
Coming! I know all about your money trouble, Keith. I'm gonna give you a lot of money. Supporting a foreigner and her son in their efforts to escape Burma. And you, Keith, can get 30,000. It's coming. Start you off. When it rains, it pours. And when it pours, I want to get rather wet. Now leave my place.
Nicola?
Sorry, I was just changing.
It's lovely to see you. I didn't come up with anything in Burma. I'm not going to stop trying. I haven't given up. It's hardly a consolation prize for that to beat a globe, obviously. I'm going to take care of everything. Everything from here on in.
You really are a good person.
Yeah.
There's a check. I'm sorry the last one bounced.
It was trustworthy.
So sorry to bring you into all of this.
No, we're going to save them. Enola and her little boy.
Things are the way they are.
If you know you're going to die, why don't you just skip town?
It wouldn't change anything. I always knew I'd be killed over an affair of the heart.
You shouldn't kiss me.
Fine.
I think I'm doing the best work of my life.
I know your secret. I'll race you to the finish line.
I'm not in love with her. To Nicola, it's the other thing. It's death. The single pill in the bottle. That's for when the living will envy the dead.
사실 샘슨은 시한부 선고를 받은 상황이었고 니콜라는 어느 날 가이에게 이별을 고합니다.
I'm sorry, but I can't see you anymore. It's just too hard for me. And please, don't worry about my friends and
Nicola, stop it.
I'm desperate. You do it, me, young lady.
money is coming. Trust me. Go and see Guy. Tell him I'm pale and drawn and pining away. Get out.
Listen, mate, I just put round Nicola's. I never seen her so down. So she's been having a bit of a cry.
I had a chill run through me today. A feeling of life leaving me. I guess I'm quitting whether I like it or not. I know you're beautiful.
Look at me.
I can't allow you to do this. You have to take this money.
But the thing about Enola was she came from inside the head. She didn't exist, so she couldn't die.
어느새 샘슨 역시 니콜라에게 빠져들고 있었고 결국 그도 그녀의 유혹을 벗어날 수가 없었죠.
Please stop.
It has to happen at least once. I get it. How do you feel about me?
The truth is, you're a bad dream.
Why am I the only person with you?
People don't like to see life fading away.
Is your husband at home at the moment?
어느 날 예고 없이 키스의 집을 찾아온 니콜라.
This is London. There are no fields. A human being can formulate a strategy for death. She would be running things right up to the very last second.
You live like a pig.
Fuck it out!
There's more than you need. TV star, everything that you want. Now go home.
Oh, back in the game. Hey, listen. Look, I got the money, look. Count it.
It's all there.
가이가 니콜라에게 준 돈으로 인해 빚을 갚은 키스.
Here you are, on a winning streak, a contender for the throne.
Let it look smile on you, Keith.
I cannot believe it has taken me this long. I read my third novel, Crossbone. For all intents and purposes, you're not frightened to face the truth, are you, Samson?
He's the only one who ever mattered. M.A. Nicola, you've killed me.
사실 마크와 니콜라는 이미 아는 사이였고 처음부터 샘슨이 니콜라를 주제로 소설을 쓸 것이라 예상했기에 마크가 이 모든 환경을 만들어낸 것이었습니다.
This was the 5th of November. This was horror day. I wasn't in love with Nicola. With Nicola, it was the other thing, death. Happy birthday. Did he love you? Did Mark write about you?
He was afraid of me. He found a way to escape. This is the dress of my dreams.
그 시각 아내에게 이별을 고하는 가이.
There's someone else.
You should have lied about it.
Thank you.
You know, where's the crab and the birds? What you see at home is 100% TV magic.
사실 그동안 다트 경기에서 멋졌던 키스의 모습은 모두 망상이었죠.
Enola Gay was the plane that flew the mission. That little boy was the name of the atom bomb.
God, here's Chick. Looking fabulous, Chick.
이어 치기 키스와 다트 대결을 펼치게 되고
What is a stunner of this stature doing with a fucking got it? Likes to be watched.
칙과 니콜라로 인해 전혀 집중하지 못하는 키스.
This is man against boy. This is boy. I'm not sure his mind's here.
Nicola.
Coming home with me.
She's coming home with me.
She's coming home with me. You know, right, girl.
Aren't they?
어느새 최후의 시간이 다가오고 있었죠.
Of all the forces, love is the strangest.
Samson, Mark, you're envious on some level of me. Doesn't matter what anyone writes anymore. Doesn't matter anymore. And is anyway. See ya.
I'm gonna do it. Look what she's done to me! Hey, you want some? Come
Take him to Thatcher Tower, Goulburn Road.
Just get out of the car, guy.
Look at what she's done to me!
Oh, she's done to me, Sam.
그렇게 2차에 홀로 남게 된 것은 샘슨이었고,
This is a true story, but I can't believe it's really happening. It's a love story of all strange things. I know the time, I know the place, and I know the means.
You. Always you.
The equation she was working on needed love in it somewhere.
Please.
You can't stop people once they start creating. There are two kinds of titles. The second kind of title is present all along. It can create impressions on those left behind.
그렇게 런던필드라는 제목의 책은 마크 에스프레이의 이름으로 전 세계에 출간되며 영화는 막을 내립니다. 이 영화는 원작 자체도 복잡하고 철학적일 뿐만 아니라 감독과 제작진의 갈등으로 편집 문제나 줄거리 혼란이 심해 혹평을 받은 영화지만은 초반에 흥미로운 분위기와 몰입력을 준 것과 앰버 허드의 다양한 면에서의 미친 외모와 연기를 보는 것이 인상 깊었던 작품입니다. 시청해주셔서 감사합니다.